This video will demonstrate how to replace the cleaning blade on a Xerox AltaLink C8000 Series copier. So the first thing you want to do is open this front door. Then you see the R6 component here. You want to take this tab, twist it to the right so that you expose a little knob here. And then what you want to do is turn the knob counterclockwise, and you keep going until you feel a release. So it should extend out, and you should be able to just pull it out. This is what the cleaning blade looks like. And then to install it, you just do the same thing. You just put it back in. And then once it's all the way in, you press in this knob, screw it in clockwise, and you keep going until it is tight, and then you flip this tab left, and then you close the door. And that is how you replace the cleaning blade on a Xerox AltaLink C8000 Series copier.